Hey there, is payroll day feeling a bit daunting? Running payroll in ADP Workforce Now is straightforward when you follow the process. Let's get everyone paid accurately and on time. Welcome back to Guide with Samuel. Here's the simple way to do it. First, log into ADP Workforce Now and navigate to the payroll module. Start a new payroll cycle, and the system will guide you through. You'll review employee hours, salaries, and any special pay items like bonuses or commissions. Next, carefully review the payroll summary. ADP will calculate gross pay, all deductions, like taxes and benefits, and net pay. This is your moment to double-check everything before submitting. Once you're confident, you authorize the payroll. My crucial pro tip: use the Preview Payroll function extensively. This lets you see the exact financial impact, both on your employees and your company's liabilities, before anything is finalized. It's the best way to catch errors. That's how you transform time and attendance data into accurate, compliant paychecks. Do you run payroll like clockwork on a set day, or do you preview it over a couple of days first? Let me know in the comments. If reliable guides like this help you work smarter, subscribe for more. Thanks for watching. I'm Samuel, and I'll see you in the next video.